Welcome back. I'm happy to see you. I'm happy to see you. Yes. Welcome back to learning. I'm happy you're here. Now today we'll continue learning our sound. Yes. Who can remind me of the last sound we learned? I'm listening. Yes. G, g, g. Great job, friends. Can you say that louder? G, 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 g. Goats. Yeah, you remembered. Bah. Do you also remember the g, g, gorilla? Great job. Well done, friends. So today we'll be learning our sound. Do you want to hear it? Okay. Our sound. Oh. Can you say that? Oh. Can you see the letter? Oh. This is what oh looks like. Again. Oh. You look so funny doing that. Don't mind me. Can you say that again? Oh. Again. Oh. Can we do that again? Ah, 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 again. Ah, 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 ah. Great job. Now clap for yourself. Excellent. Can you say the sound one more time? Ah, again. Ah, again. Ah, great job. Now, friends, we'll be looking at things that starts with the sound ah. What starts with the sound ah? I remember ostrich. Can you see the ostrich? Ostrich. Ostrich. What else sounds with the sound Ooh, something juicy. Orange. I love orange. It's so juicy. I'm sure you also love to take orange.